Hello children. So today we are going to discuss about the division. So in the last video we have discussed about multiplication. So now division. So let's start. So in division, suppose you have given, we are discussing about algebraic expression. No? So algebraic expression division, how it is done, that one we will discuss. Numerical division, so we know in earlier classes, class 4 5 we have learned how to do the division. So now we are going to discuss about the algebraic expression is given, and numerator denominator both are algebraic expression. So how will you divide at that time? So see one thing, in this case, this is one algebraic expression, 12x plus 6x square divided by 4x. Okay, so now see, your denominator is monomial term. Okay, denominator is monomial term. So at that time what we can do, so suppose your question it is given this one, 12x plus 6x square divided by what is given, 4x given. Okay, I can write like this. Now see, this denominator only one term is given, so I can split the numerator by this denominator. So can I write like this, 12x by 4x plus 6x square divided by 4x. That means this 4x monomial term is in the denominator of both the term, both the numerator term. 12x 4x is also denominator of 12x, and 6x square, in case of 6x square, 4x is also a denominator. So we can split the terms of numerator by like this. Now we can cancel this x, 4 3s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Here x square, here x, one x will get cancelled, only one x will be there. So I can write 3 plus 3x by 2, isn't it? So we can write like this. So this is your division. That means after doing the division, if you divide this term by these terms, then you will get this one. That means we can split the numerator with this denominator if monomial is given. Suppose it is, suppose in this case numerator is same but the denominator matters. Denominator here it is given, see, binomial. That means more than binomial term or trinomial, whatever it is given. So we in this case particular I'll talk about the binomial. Suppose in the denominator not monomial term, more than monomial term is given, that means binomial or trinomial, whatever it is given. So at that time how will you do the division? In, if monomial given, you can split the terms means you can split the numerator by denominator. Then if any cancellation is possible, do this cancellation. After that, that will be the answer. So now in this case, if binomial is given, this question it is given binomial. So how will you do this one? See, here it is given 4x plus 1. So first of all I will write the question, 12x plus 6x square divided by 4x plus 1. This is given. Okay, now in this case, can I write each term by this denominator like previous problem? How I can write? I can write 12x by 4x plus 1 and 6x square by 4x plus 1. Why I am telling this? Because see, in both the case your denominator is same. If you take the LCM will be 4x plus 1. After that 12x plus 6x square will be denominator. That is ultimately this one only. That means we can write this expression like these expressions. Okay, so after that what you will do? After that also same, 12x by 4x plus 1, 6x square by 4x plus 1. But you cannot do the cancellation because here addition is there. So you cannot simply cut this x, this x with this, you cannot cut. If it is given monomial term, if suppose this 1 is not there, then you can do the cancellations. But here see, denominator is binomial term. So at that time if you write also like this, if you write like this, that means if you split the numerator by the denominator, after that what you will do? I need the simplified answer. So this is nothing but this only. So that means it's not further simplification is possible in another method, but we have not done. So that means if denominator, in case of division, if denominator is more than monomial term, more than one term, then we at that time we have to apply some different method. Different methods means you have to apply division process, how to do the division. Okay, so in this, if monomial is given, then simply you split the numerator with this denominator. Then if any cancellation is possible, then you will write after doing the cancellation, the remaining answer will, remaining terms, whatever factor is there, that one will be your answer. But in this case, some different method division process you have to apply. The division is the division of algebraic expression. So this one we will discuss in 5e, and this all we will discuss in 5d. Okay, so let's start the exercise 5d. So now see question number 1. It is given x power 5 divided by x cube. This is nothing but, see, all the base are same, powers are different, division is there, that means power will be subtracted, that means x power 5 minus 3, that means x square. Or simply you can tell like this, here 5 it is given, here 3 it is given, so 5 minus 3 2, that means x square. In mind you can calculate the steps. So similarly 2 3 4 you have to do. See the question number 5. It is given a cube b power 4 divided by, what is given, a square b. So multiplication it is given, here also multiplication, here also multiplication. Now see in this 2, since multiplication is there, so I can split the term. If suppose plus it was given, then we cannot write like this, a cube and a square is there, so I will write a cube minus a square, we cannot write. But here multiplication it is given, so I can write it as a cube by a square. That means I can apply the formula of base are same, powers are different, division is there, so that means it will be a power 3 minus 2, and for b, b4 is there, here b is there, b power 4 minus 1, so it will be a into b cube. So that means answer will be ab cube. This is, suppose if it is given like this, a cube plus b power 7 divided by a4 plus b power 6, then ultimately this denominator is binomial, more than one term, that means that the division we will discuss in the next exercise. So if it is given, suppose here in numerator if it is given plus, also denominator is multiplication given, if multiplication is there, then this whole factors will consider as a whole, terms will consider as a one term, that means it is monomial only. If plus or subtraction is given, then we will consider it as a two terms. Understood or not? In the first exercise, number of terms, how to count, I've told na, a term or in algebraic expression, terms are separated by the subtraction or addition or subtraction. If multiplication division is there, then how many times multiplication is given or division it is given, all together we consider it as a one term. Okay, so say 6 7 done. You have to do 8 number, you see 84 a square b5 divided by 12 a square b square. So here also 84 a square b5 and 12 divided by 12 a square b square. So a square numerator is there, b denominator a square is also there, so a square will get cancelled. Now 84 and divided by 12, 7 12 is 84. Okay, now b power 5 and b square is given, so b power 5 minus 2, that means it will be b cube. So what we will get, 7b cube. Now see the question number 2. Divide 8x plus 4 by 2. Here also all the, see the denominator, what is the divisor, all the divisors are here, what, all the divisors are here monomial, that means one term. So simply you can split the numerator by the denominator. So I will discuss the question number 8. Once we check question number 8, 10a cube plus 12ab by 2a. So split the numerator by denominator, 10a cube by 2a, then 12ab by 2a. 2 5s are 10, a cube, a means a 3 minus cube minus 1, so that means 2, that means a square. 2 6 are 12, a will get cancelled, only b will be there, so that means 6b. So answer will be 5a square 6b. See the 9 number questions. 9 number is also easy. whatever it is given the numerator, we will not going to check anything, but the main thing is that you have to check the denominator, that means divisor, with what you are dividing. If it is monomial, then simply you split the numerator with the denominator, then after the simplification. If it is given binomial, that one we will discuss in the next exercise. So all together your one exercise will be there, I think F. So there all together it will be monomial also divisor will be there, binomial also divisor will be there, trinomial may be there. So at that time you have to by seeing at the denominator, seeing in the denominator what are the terms it is given, what are factors it is given, according to that you have to apply. Okay, so now see here also your divisor is monomial, so we divide, split the numerator. Here I have split it. So now 3 3s are 9, x and x square and x is there, 2 minus 1 it will be how much, 1. So after dividing you will get, so simplification you do and check the answer. This one you check it once. 6a square b square, here also your divisor is monomial, this is your divisor. Okay, now first of all you will split this numerator with that, I have divided minus 3ab divided by this numerator 9abd, 9abd this one. Okay, now 6 divided by minus 1 by 3, this one 6 divided by minus 1 by 3. So 6 divided by minus 1 by 3, if division is there, the division I can write multiplication, then it will be reciprocal, 3 by 1. So that means 6 3 is 18 by 1 means how much, 18 only, minus 18 only. So that's a minus 18. So minus 18. After that factors of the check the literal factors, a square b square are there and denominator ab is there. So a square minus a square divided by a will be a and b square divided by b will be b. So that means 18ab. Similarly 3 minus 1 by 3, it will be how much, 3 3s are 9, minus this minus will become plus, or minus minus plus, then it will be 9, a b will get cancelled, then c will also only there, so 9c. Similarly 9 and 3 will be multiplication, 9 3s are 27, and this minus this plus minus plus it will be minus, then a b will get cancelled again, only remaining factors is there d. The remaining factors will be here d. I have written b here, it's okay, so you may make it correct, so it will be 27d. Okay. So answer will be minus 18ab plus 9c minus 27d. So there I have, though I have written here b, it will be d. Okay. See the question number 3. If minus 15 m n power 4 p square is divided by 1 by 6 m power 4, this the quotient is, that means if you divide this one with this, then what will be your quotient. So you do by yourself, division you do. So now next question it is given, this is given, this equal to will be how much. It's easy only, just check it once. Here x power 7, here also x power 7, so both x power 7 will get cancelled. Here 8 is given, here 56 is given, so 8 how much are 8 7s are 56. Here x is there, x y power 5 z square, denominator x y square z square, x will get cancelled. Here y power 5 y square, that means y power 5 minus 2, how much it will be, y cube z square. Already the numerical factor is 7 y cube. Here also we have got here how much, here minus is there, here minus is the minus it will become plus, so already in this case minus is there, minus 7 y cube. So this is minus 7 y cube plus 7 y cube will get cancelled, answer will be 0. This one. Now see in this question, which of the following division problems the quotient is not a polynomial, in which case the quotient will not be the polynomial if you do the division. So polynomial means all the variables should be in the numerator, there should not be any variables in the denominator. or you can say that in case of polynomials the variable's power should be always positive whole number. That means negative whole number, if you have got what negative whole number, power should be always positive whole number. If you have got negative whole number in the power of variables, then we cannot consider it as a what, polynomial. So in this case all the options you have to do what, you have to divide this all the terms by this one, and after dividing you have to check each term. You have to check each term that whether you are getting the powers of the variables positive or not. If you have got the variables power is positive, then it is polynomial. If it is negative, then it is not a polynomial. Or you can say, if in the denominator suppose you have got like this, which one, x power 4 x square y wait, which one I will do, C number, you see, C options, 4x square y 7xy square minus y square. Here you divide by this one, this term, na? So minus x square y square. Okay, so now check the numerator, each term I will split with denominator. So 4x square y can write divided by minus x square y square minus 7xy square divided by minus x square y square minus y square divided by minus x square y square. Okay, now check this x square will get cancelled, this y here, y square is there, so it will be how much, 4 this here I can write what, this one, forget about this all the left term, just you check this one, 4 here y power 1, here y power 2. So if I do the subtraction, y power 1 minus 2, so what you are getting, y power minus 1. See, in this case we are getting the variable's power is negative whole number. Instead of getting the positive whole number, we are getting the negative whole number. That means this is not a polynomial. Like this you have to divide each term. Obviously if you divide these terms, this polynomial by these terms, so all the numerator will be get splitted by these terms. So after that do the cancellations, you have to check in which terms you are getting the variables power is negative, or you are getting the denominator, in the denominator variables is there. So in which case you are getting, that one will not be your polynomial. Suppose if you are not getting any negative power or any factors in the denominator, then this is polynomial. Okay, so in the next exercise we will discuss about the division of algebraic expression by binomial or more than two terms, sorry, more than one terms, how to divide this.